Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how you can arrange or reorder your animations in Canva. Then this video should be helpful for you. And if you want to rearrange your animated text or any other elements, then you can easily do it. For example, this is the text that I have added to my design right now. So yeah, these are the texts. Before you order your animation, make sure you've added animations. So select your text or elements. Then go to Animate, and now you can choose any animation you like. So if you select both, then the animation will appear at the beginning and at the end as well. If you choose Only Enter, then it will animate only at the start. And if you select Exit, then it will only appear at the end. I'll go with just Enter. And the same way, I'll add another animation to this one. Maybe this one. And I'll add another animation to this one. So yeah, this looks good. To order or rearrange your animation, you just need to click on it, and you'll see the timeline here. If you don't see any timeline, then just right-click, and you will see, if it's not showing for you now, it might be in your options as Timeline. Just click on Timeline, and then you will see the options for your animation, animated text, or animated elements. Click on it and simply adjust or order your timing like this. When do I want to show this one? So this one will be first, and maybe this one second. And like this, I'll just rearrange or order it for better timing. So see, yeah, just like this, you can simply order it, or this is the same process you can use with elements or text. It's the same process, just like this. Look, you can see that you can change, order, or rearrange your text or any animated elements. So yeah, it's a simple process. And if you have any questions or confusion about this video or any others, please comment below. I will answer your questions.